How to change TikTok account reason. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change TikTok account reason. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok application in a mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. After that, head over to bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Now from here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy under Account, you have to tap on Account option. And here, head towards the Account Information. Under Account Information, there you have an option as Account Reason. Tap on it. Now from here, you can change to your preferred country or region that you want to change to. Select the country. But here it says, in order to change your country, you have to be or you recently used TikTok in Afghanistan for at least 60 days. So you have to meet that criteria, or you have to be in that region for at least 60 days. Then only you'll be able to update your region. So in that case, what you can do is you can open up a VPN in your device. If you don't have the VPN, install it from the Play Store. Once you open up the VPN, there you can connect to your preferred region server. After that, you can change your country in your TikTok account. So that is the way to change TikTok account reason, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.